Austin was originally supposed to face the man who boasts the longest Lions Pride Sports Championship reign in history, Moonshine Mantell, but Mantell unfortunately unable to make the show this evening. Earlier, Mathayus defended his Lions Den Championship against Drake Durden, and interference from Devin DeVille paid off as Mathayus hit a spear as Durden was dealing with DeVille, getting to 1, 2, 3, and then after the match, another spear and a vicious assault on the knee of Durden. The word is that Drake is going to be out indefinitely as a result of this attack. And Mathayus, the Lions Den champion, through his mouthpiece and manager DeVille, challenged Austin to a title-for-title matchup right after that attack on Durden. The match was made. Both championships are on the line. Of course, Outlaw J. Austin, as someone who received training at the Lions Den training facility in Bryan, Texas, eligible to compete for the Lions Den Championship. Both these men won their respective titles on the same night, November 13th, 2021, at our Here to Stay event. Mathayus becoming the first Lions Den champion, and the Outlaw adding to the lineage of the Lions Pride Sports Championship. Both their titles on the line right now. Outlaw issuing a warning to DeVille, who continues to interfere in the contests of the man he manages, the man who has transformed from the headline, an incredibly popular competitor, into the god of fire, incredibly intense, ultra-aggressive, relentless, and now loathed by the vast majority of the Pride. But you cannot argue with the success that he has had so far as champion, and now DeVille wants Mathayus out for a moment. Outlaw's exit from the matchup was to warn DeVille. I have no idea what Mathayus' exit was for, maybe just mind games, but nonetheless, two powerful competitors. You heard the announcement of the Outlaw at 190. Mathayus, less weight, but an incredibly strong competitor. We've seen it time and time again. Heck, he hoisted up the 7-footer Drake Durden in the opening contest here at Winter Warfare, and then, of course, proceeded to utilize the interference from DeVille and now take Drake Durden out of action for an indefinite period of time due to the knee injury. Again, these two men trying to exert their will and show off their strength. Outlaw willing to do whatever it takes in matchups. He has since day one as a competitor. Win, oh, by the way, Outlaw debuted in Lions Pride Sports targeting Mathayus. These two men in different places now, of course, and with gold around their waist as Outlaw whips Mathayus into the corner, an awkward landing on the turnbuckles that has staggered the god of fire. But wherewithal to move out of the way as Outlaw comes in and his near 300-pound frame crashes into those same turnbuckles. Mathayus sending off Outlaw, and a picture-perfect drop kick, much to his own delight, and I'm sure that of Devin DeVille. Mathayus not choosing to get back to the attack quickly. He's been very talkative with our fans here in the Pride, no longer in large part fans of his. He has been very vocal towards them. He is willing to answer their catcalls. Outlaw answers Mathayus' offense with a strike, sending him off, and a back elbow, taking down the Lions Den Champion. His title on the line, but a kick out there, barely two. Again, both titles are on the line. One of these men could very well leave this evening as a double champion. Outlaw now with a clutch in on the headline. Excuse me, automatic recall on my part. The God of Fire, no longer the headline. Outlaw in trouble now, hoisted up and suplex. Again, another feat of strength from Mathayus. DeVille very happy, but it's not enough. Kick out by Outlaw, and Mathayus got even a headbutt there. Again, this aggression, it has always been there. Let's not get it wrong, but whatever it is fueled by at this moment, whatever DeVille has instilled in his client has taken Mathayus to a new level, but you also can't argue that it's a golden level. It's a level that's retaining the gold. Will he retain it tonight against the Outlaw? Or will it become double golden? Oh, huge clothesline. Down goes the one of the champs. I was about to say, down goes the champ. It's courtesy of the champ. Both titles on the line. The Lions Pride Sports Championship, the Lions Den Championship. Outlaw right back on top of Mathayus. And Austin has to break. Or at least he chooses to break. Big uppercut by Mathayus. A couple more blows after that. And now the near 300 pounder is up and down with a Samoan drop. It seems like Mathayus had to exert what was left at the moment in his tank to pull off that maneuver. We invite you to check out the matches from the reigns of both these men and, of course, the history of Lions Pride Sports. It's at our YouTube page. Just search Lions Pride Sports. Look for our logo. Please subscribe. We would love for you to be part of the Pride through our YouTube channel. Both champions working their way to their feet. Mathayus with some space, and I bet a spear is on his mind. And no! Outlaw gets a boot up. And now gets Mathayus up to his shoulder. The Lions Pride Sports Champion. Oh, with a running power slam on the Lions Den Champion. That's for the title. And no, kick out. Mathayus not done. Outlaw continuing to jaw jack with Alex Morozos as Mathayus has his eyes set on Outlaw. You see DeVille giving a little guidance there as well. Outlaw with his back turned for far too long and eats a right hand. The God of Fire. Again a suplex. No! A Falcon Arrow. Falcon Arrow for the win for the title. No! 2 count only. Mathayus that close to double gold. But the Outlaw kicks out and still holds the biggest prize in the Pride, at least for now. Mathayus back on top, delivering a couple more shots. Mathayus ascending. It is not often that he goes to the high rent district, although it has, I think, been a little more often in his championship reign, now finding his footing, and too much time taken. Outlaw up to his feet, and now the Lions Den Champion Mathayus in big trouble. But almost a desperation move there, a headbutt. Off comes Mathayus from the second rope, but a straight right, straight to the gut. Up goes Mathayus, panhandle slam. That's a panhandle slam when he's not winning the title with a cowbell. He's winning matches with a panhandle slam to become double golden. Oh no, DeVille pulled the referee out of the ring. I do not think Mathayus was going to kick out of that panhandle slam, but Devin DeVille pays dividends. The official admonishing the manager of Mathayus, who just broke up that pinfall, and now the referee is not looking. This the MO of the Lions Pride Sports Champion. The cowbell is out. How many times have we seen this? And Devin DeVille saw the cowbell, and now Mathayus being pulled out. Mathayus very upset. But I do think he at least now has realized that the cowbell is in the hands of the Outlaw. The official is back in the ring, so if Outlaw were to use it, that's a disqualification. Up to 9. That's a count out. That's a count out. And that means
Here is your winner and still Lions Pride Sports Champion, Outlaw J. Austin.
He just let Moonshine Mantell go. He didn't want to come take this woman like a man.
Mathayus walks away. He walks out. Walks out without 2 titles, but he does leave with 1. Outlaw J. Austin retains the Lions Pride Sports Championship, gets the win in this contest, but Mathayus is still Lions Den Champion. Thanks for watching Lions Pride Sports on YouTube. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Plus, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. For the very latest on Lions Pride Sports, visit our website, lionsprideproductions.com. You'll also find information on the Lions Den training facility there.